My name is Thomas. I'm a technical product manager for PTV Vissim, and in this session, I'd like to briefly highlight one of the new features. This one is about the possibilities to easily change your existing model to reflect the impact of different weather conditions. The purpose is to quickly apply plausible changes to driver behavior and physical limitations in order to create different situations for testing automated vehicles. So it's not about capacity analysis. The feature is targeted for automotive testing and hence also requires the automotive module. All right, let's briefly explain what it does and how you can use the feature. We start with a model that has been calibrated to produce realistic behavior for neutral weather conditions, which is typically the base starting point for any model. The feature is reached through the menu item Apply Preconfigured Traffic Conditions. And if you used this feature before, you might notice that we cleaned up and extended the dialog for these. In the top section, you'll find the settings that change the different driving styles from very comfort-oriented to very aggressive. And in the bottom section, you will find the new settings that apply changes that reflect different weather conditions. Both features can be combined. However, take note that they interact and sometimes override each other. For example, the driving styles allow to adjust the speeds in the model, while the weather conditions limit the maximum speed value, which ultimately overrides the changes from the driving styles. There are tooltips which mention these interactions, and you can refer to the documentation for the full details. Okay, back to the weather. You can choose between bad and very bad weather, and we do not want to imply whether this is heavy rain, fog, or ice. It just boils down to very bad conditions that impact side speeds and most notably maximum decelerations due to frictions which are changed when applying the presets. The weather conditions come with a preset for the deceleration reduction and the maximum speed thresholds, but you can freely adapt these according to your needs. Lastly, the feature allows to adjust the 3D graphics parameters, which provide visual feedback, but these have no impact on the simulation itself. Well, and if you click OK, the changes are applied. And as you can see, the 3D visualization changes and there are new maximum deceleration functions and speed distributions created, as well as adjusted driving behaviors that reflect the changes that have been applied to the model. Well, and when we start the simulation, we can observe what's happening. You're looking at the vehicles. Let's speed things up a little bit so that we have some vehicles moving and we can observe the simulation. So these are the new configuration options. And that's it from my side on this new feature. I hope you find this useful. And if you have questions, our support team will be happy to help you.